Next type is a multi-program operating system. Short form is a MOS. First thing is that what is exactly multi-program operating system? Multi-program operating system means what exactly when the number of programs or a number of jobs are at a time insert or residing in the memory. That time that all jobs or all programs just share a single processor or single machines. That is exactly multi-program operating system. Multi-program system means what exactly number of programs means a number of jobs are at a time inserted or residing in the memory. That all jobs or all programs share a single processor, share a single machines. That is exactly a multi-program operating systems. Okay. Now in that case, the particular processor just focusing a number of jobs or a number of programs. Okay, at a time means when the programs are inserted in the machines, that time CPU just focus a first job, then second job, then third job, then fourth job, then fifth job as like a priority basis. Okay, that is the exactly situation, that is the exactly condition of a multi-program operating system. In that case, the CPU utilization are very fastly or efficient memory management in the multi-program operating system. Now focus to here is just a diagrams. Okay, now first program or first job insert in the operating system, that is exactly situation is a run the situation. Then next is a wait means what exactly when the program are insert in the machines, that time that particular program or that particular jobs are in a running conditions. Now after that particular programs or that particular job are in a waiting state. Why waiting state? When the that particular program are just in a execution conditions, means when the particular program or job on the in that program particular OS just provide a number of instructions, number of commands for execution. That time that particular program or that particular jobs are in a waiting state or a holding state. That is exactly a waiting condition or waiting situation. After doing these things, then that particular programs are again run, and next is then again a waiting state. Then finally that particular programs or that particular jobs are run. That's the exactly situation is a particular programs are running in a OS. Okay, here is only a single program are just I just provided here only a single program, that is exactly a uni programming. Now unfortunately just happen a number of programs. I just provided to here first program and then second program are running at a time in the memory. That time first program are run, then here is just a waiting state. Here is just a waiting state means what particular OS just provide a number of instructions or a command. That particular commands or are instructions are predefined or system defined for just a execution of a particular program or a job. So that's why that particular program here is just a waiting state. After completing operations, then that particular programs are run. Then again waiting state, and then finally that particular program are run. Then same concept, same situations apply in a second program also. Okay, that is exactly first program and second program. Now here is a at a time combine first then second, and here is a waiting state. Here is a run the first, run the second, and here is a waiting state. Why waiting state? That particular state is very important. That in that waiting state, that time that particular OS just provide a number of instructions or commands for just that particular commands are applied on that program for just executions. Okay, so this is the first part. Second thing is that when the particular OS just execute a first program, that time the previous program are in also in a waiting state for executions. Okay, this kind of situation or this kind of conditions are available or present to here. That is exactly a multi-program operating system. Here is just a multi-programming with two programs. Okay, there is a number of programs are at a time inserting in the memory for executions. That kind of a situation is a multi-programming. Okay, and all programs or all jobs just access or just use a single processor. Okay, now what exactly example of multi-program operating system? There is a simple example. There use suppose a particular user just use a access user just Excel. Okay, at a time he just use a particular browser like a Firefox browser. That time this kind of situation is a multi-programming operating systems. Okay, means a particular operating system just focus on a two or number of programs at a time. Okay, that kind of situation or that kind of condition is a multi-program operating system. Now focus to here is just advantages of a multi-program operating system. First one is the number of programs are execute simultaneously by a single processor. Means a number of programs are just executed or run in a single processor simultaneously. That is the main advantage. Okay. Second is the improved system utilizations. When the number of programs are just executions at a time in the memory or in the OS, that is the system utilization are improved properly. Response is very good. Means when the number of programs are just inserted in the machines or in a single machines or in a OS, that time all jobs are executed properly and successfully. Means we just get a proper deployment, we just get a proper reply. Okay. Efficient memory utilization means what? When the number of programs or number of jobs inserted in the machine, that time all jobs get some memories for the execution or some for storage. Okay, this kind of facilities provided the OS in the system or in the memory. Okay, that is the exactly efficient memory utilization. And last one is the increased CPU performance. Means when the number of programs are inserted in the machine, that time automatically processor speed or processor executions, processor running condition properly and successfully, and you can say that increase the CPU performance. Okay, now some disadvantages are also available in the multi-program operating systems. Now first one is the CPU scheduling is required. Means when the number of programs, not only 2 programs, 3 programs, there is a number of programs are inserted continuously in the OS. That time CPU scheduling is very important. CPU scheduling are required continuously and properly. Okay, that is exactly a disadvantage. Memory management required. Memory management required means what? Continuously memory just gives a number of jobs or number of programs properly and successfully in the OS. That is exactly disadvantage. Okay, means one program are reset in the memory, then second program are reset in the memory, then third program are reset in the memory, then fourth program are reset in the memory. That time number of times or always a particular processor or particular OS just provided some memory first program, some memory second program, some memory third program. There's a memory management required is important. Now last one is the CPU maintenance expensive. Means continuously a number of jobs or number of programs are reset in the memory. That time it's quite possible that a CPU maintenance is expensive. Means we just focus in our CPU for maintenance. That is exactly disadvantages of a multi-program operating system. Now last sentence is that what is exactly main definition of multi-program operating system? Means a number of programs. Program is also called as a job in the operating system. Number of programs or number of jobs are resides or insert in the machines for executions at a time. Okay, that is the exactly situation, that is the exactly condition is a multi-program operating systems. Okay, now example is when the particular user just operate or just use a number of programs, like he can use Excel at a time, he can use a browser at a time, he just use a particular language. That kind of a things is a multi-program operating systems. Okay, and each and every program is also called as a job. Okay,